And don't worry kahit wala kang pull-up bar o gymnastic rings dahil pwede mo pa rin gawin yung mga techniques na ituturo ko sa'yo for as long as meron kang matibay na aparador o matibay na pinto. Hey guys! Welcome to episode number 19 of 4W30. So 2 days ago, nag-upload tayo ng video about me trying out some new calisthenic skills for the back. I tried the front lever, the skin the cat, the assisted one-arm pull-up, at saka
2,000 years later.
Isa, kalimutan ko. Archer pull-ups. At dalawa sa inyo ang nag-comment sa video na yon, and here are your comments, guys. First of all, thank you KP and Rod for your comments. Unahin natin yung comment ni Rod. Actually, I made an entire playlist about beginner home workouts. No equipment needed, and you can check that playlist over here. We created those videos about 4 or 5 months ago kung di ako nagkakamali. So meron na tayong push, pull, and legs workout. Again, no equipment. Kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede mong i-train yung chest, shoulder, triceps, back, biceps, your quads, your hamstrings, and so on. Your entire body na walang kinakailangang equipment. Okay? Meron din tayong mga beginner to advanced progressions dun sa mga videos na yun. So please do check them out. Now, as for KP's comment, nako, di daw siya makagawa ng kahit isang pull-up lang. First of all, thank you KP for being honest about your current situation. Well, okay lang yan. I mean, I was there in your position too. Basically, lahat tayo dumadaan sa phase na yan when we are just super weak to be able to do a single pull-up. Pero huwag kang mag-aalala, KP, because in today's video, i-address ko yung problema mo. Hopefully, makatulong tong video na to for you to be able to gain enough strength for you to finally do your first pull-up. And don't worry kahit wala kang pull-up bar o gymnastic rings dahil pwede mo pa rin gawin yung mga techniques na ituturo ko sa'yo for as long as meron kang matibay na aparador o matibay na pinto. Okay, pero bago tayo tumungo sa ating tutorial, I just wanna address the elephant in the room, which is you! Yeah, I'm talking to you watching this video right now looking like an actual elephant. What I mean by that is fat ass. No. I was there too. So I was 193 pounds back in January, so sobrang taba ako nun. And obviously, sobrang hirap para sa akin gawin yung mga pull-ups. I think my max was 6 or 8 pull-ups back then. Sobrang struggle na para sa akin. So, obviously, you have to lose weight for you to be able to do the pull-ups easier. Okay? Hindi lang pull-ups, actually, yung mga ibang bodyweight exercises like push-ups or your pistol squats and whatnot, mas madaling gawin yung mga yon kung mababa yung timbang mo. If you're on a diet right now and nawawalan ka na ng disiplina, make that one of your motivations. For you to be able to do a pull-up or any kind of bodyweight exercise na mas madali, mas maganda kung mababa yung bodyweight mo. So lose the weight. That is step number 1. Okay, it's time for some bodybuilding terminologies with RJ Atlas. So today, tuturuan ko kayo ng dalawang napaka-importanting terms para maintindihan natin yung mga techniques na gagawin natin for today's pull-up tutorial. Well, the first one is concentric. When you say concentric, this is the part of the exercise kung saan nagfe-flex yung ating mga muscles. Okay? This is the positive or shortening of the muscles. So, when you say concentric, that is the shortening or flexing of the muscle. Okay? So, for example, sa bicep curls, ito yung tinatawag nating concentric. Yan, kapag naka-flex yung biceps natin, concentric ang tawag dyan. At syempre, kung meron tayong concentric o positive o flexing o shortening portion ng exercise, meron din tayong opposite. Ang opposite ng concentric ay eccentric. Okay? So, kung ito yung concentric, ito naman ang eccentric. Yung pababa. AKA the lengthening of the muscle or the negative portion of the exercise. Okay? Again, so kung sa bicep curls, this is the concentric. And this is the eccentric. Shortening, lengthening, positive or flexing, and negative. Okay? Kung sa push-ups naman, this is the concentric, and this is the eccentric. Okay? Concentric, eccentric. There we go. And of course, sa pull-ups, ito yung concentric, yung okay, that's the concentric portion, and this is the eccentric, yung kapag pababa na tayo. Now, bakit mahalaga yung dalawang terms na yon? Well, physiologically speaking guys, mas malakas tayo sa negative portion ng mga exercises. Okay? So, it means na kung kaya mong buhatin sa bench press is 100 pounds sa concentric, in theory, mas marami yung kaya mong buhatin sa eccentric portion. Okay? Dahil nga mas malakas tayo sa negative portion or eccentric portion ng movement. Why is that important for today's tutorial? It's because we're gonna force ourselves into the negative portion of the pull-up. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung hindi ka pa ganun kalakas para gawin yung isang pull-up, then we can do the negatives. We can start with the negative or the eccentric portion. So, now that we have the basics covered, let's talk about the difference between the pull-up and the chin-up. Kung mas malakas tayo sa eccentric portion ng movement, technically, mas malakas din tayo sa chin-ups kesa sa pull-ups. So, chin-ups is like this. Pull-ups is like that. So, mas malakas tayo dito. So, we're gonna start with the chin-ups. First of all, aapak tayo sa bangko and then we're gonna grab the bar with a supinated grip. And then, from the concentric portion, slowly but surely, ibababa natin yung katawan natin hanggang sa umapak tayo sa sahig. And then, do it again. Apak tayo sa bangko. We're gonna grab the bar with our palms facing us. And then, nice and slow from the concentric all the way down to the eccentric portion. Hold it as long as you can. Yan, mararamdaman mo talaga yung biceps mo dyan, tsaka yung back muscles mo na nag-e-engage. Do that for a few sets. And then you're good to go. I suggest you do this routine thrice a week and slowly but surely you're gonna see na kaya mo nang i-hold ng mas matagal or you can do multiple reps. Kung kaya mo nang gawin yon, then it's time for you to graduate from the chin-up all the way to the pull-up. So basically, same concept. We're gonna use the chair and then grab the bar. But this time around, instead of the supinated grip, we're gonna use the pronated grip. So palms are facing away from us. Nice and slow from the concentric. We're gonna slowly drop ourselves down to the ground. Rinse and repeat, and so on. Now, what if wala kang pull-up bar sa bahay? After all, we live in the Philippines, so it means hindi readily available yung mga bagay-bagay sa atin. Hashtag third world country problems. One thing that we have in the Philippines na wala sa ibang bansa, we have the punong nara, the pambansang tree of the Philippines. And it just so happened na yung aming pinto ay gawa sa punong nara, so matibay na matibay, and it's nicely bolted sa aming door frame. So, I want you to do the same thing. Hanap kayo ng matibay na pinto, and then basically do the same technique na ginawa natin. Use a chair, put yourself in the concentric portion of the pull-up, and then nice and slow. Yun nga lang, meron din talagang disadvantages yung paggamit ng pinto because sumasabit yung ating
Dragon na may tatong sisiyo.
Aside from that, well, kung wala kang choice talaga, wala kang pull-up bar, wala kayong ibang choice kundi gamitin yung pinto, guys. And again, same concept dun sa pull-ups and chin-ups. Dahil mas malakas tayo sa chin-ups, we're gonna do it first on the edge of the door. Okay? So, alternating grip tayo, guys. So, kung yung first repetition mo, mas malapit yung left hand mo sa mukha mo, you just switch hands for the next rep. Okay? And then do that for as many reps as you can. Rest a few minutes in between sets. Do it 3 times a week and then slowly but surely build it up. I promise you guys, if you keep on doing this, before you know it, makakagawa na kayo ng first pull-up ninyo. So I hope you find this video helpful, you guys. Kung nakatulong ako ng kahit papano, please leave us a like, share the videos to all of your friends, or well, you can keep it a secret, diba? Work in silence, guys. Let your results speak for themselves. Maiinggit na lang yung mga kaibigan mo. Kapag nagtanong na sila kung, wow, paano ako lumalakas, pare ko, ano yung sikreto mo? Doon mo na ituro yung channel ni Atlas and Jovi. Okay? But yeah, if you're that type of person who loves to work in silence, then sige, sikreto muna natin yan. Hindi ko ipagsasabi. Just leave the video a like. That is mandatory. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. Okay? Maraming salamat. I believe in you guys. You can do it. Ano pa ba? Wala na. Yun lang. Goodbye. Ha!